and it gives good amount of color pay. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another exciting video. So if you guys are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, then hello, I am Pooja. Just a small reminder, please consider subscribing to my channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, make sure you follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. It really motivates me and my channel to bring more content for you all. Alright guys, so by the time you already know what today's video is going to be, as title says. Yes guys, so I'm gonna share with you all my top 5 ultimate nude lipstick. Now guys, I am just a hoarder of nude lipstick. I can choose nude lipstick over any other shade, and guys I really feel like these are the color which goes with every outfit that you are selecting or that you wanna pair up with, because आप इसको इंडियन के साथ अच्छे से कैरी कर सकते हो, वेस्टर्न के साथ and what not. And guys, my obsession for nude lipstick are something really unimaginable for myself or for any other as well, because मेरे पास जितने भी लिपस्टिक है which is really close to nude lipstick, like whenever I am picking up a lipstick मैं make sure करती हूँ nude side ही हो, and sometimes I really feel like yeah, I should try another shades as well, but I end up purchasing the nude shade because I really love nude shade and I think it really complements my skin tone as well. And guys, here I have 5 lipstick with me, and these are the kind of color which you can pair up with any outfit you are looking for, and all of these color are really awesome. And with that guys, I'll give you the swatches of all the lipstick. So yeah, if you guys are interested to know what I have in my top 5 nude lipstick, then you should keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first lipstick I have with me, which is from a very affordable side, and that is this one. So this is a Swiss Beauty soft matte lip cream, and I am in the shade Very Nude 22. And guys, these retails for 199 rupees each, and you are getting 6 grams of product in it. And guys, it comes in this kind of plasticky bottle with a doe foot applicator. The packaging is really standard and really convenient to carry. Now coming back to this shade guys, this shade is such a pretty peachy nude color, and this is the shade which I am wearing right now on my lips, and you guys can already make out how beautiful it's looking on my lips. Also coming to its formula, texture and pigmentation, this is highly pigmented in one swipe guys, and guys with that it has such a nice moussey kind of texture which applies and glides onto your lips like a dream. It really takes no time to dry down on your lips. Also ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है, and guys this is such a nice universal kind of shade. So अगर आपको कोई लिपस्टिक को टोन डाउन भी करना है like any dark shade, तो आप ये लिपस्टिक को यूज़ कर सकते हो just to tone it down, because it has such a nice undertone. Also it is quite long lasting as well until and unless you eat anything oily, and guys that is the case with every lipstick out there, and I really love this lipstick. And guys being on the affordable side, it gives such a nice opaque finish to your lips, and guys इसका one day पे ही काफ़ी है to cover your whole lip, so that is the reason I really like this lipstick. Also guys, the shade of this lipstick is so damn pretty, which you can already see, and I so like this color, formula and everything about this lipstick. I also have couple of other shade as well from this range, but मुझे इनका nude वाला बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, and I'm so in love with this lipstick. And also guys, if you are a teenager or beginner but you don't want to spend your money on all of those expensive lipstick, then this one is for you. Go give it a try. You're gonna love this one like I do. Okay guys, so the next lipstick I have with me, which is again a very affordable, and that is this one. Now guys, talking about lipstick and a nude color, and how can I forget the Maybelline, because they make such an amazing lipstick. Like the formula, texture, everything is so amazing with affordable prices. So the one I have with me, which is this one. So guys, this is the Maybelline powder matte lipstick in the shade Raw Cocoa. Oh my god, this is such an amazing shade again. And guys, talking about its price and quantity, so this lipstick retails for 475 rupees each, and you are getting 3.5 grams of product in each. Now guys, don't worry, Nykaa always run offer on Maybelline, so you will easily find this lipstick for around 300 to 350 rupees, which comes on affordable side again. Now guys, it comes in this kind of plasticky packaging, and guys the actual product comes in this kind of bullet form, which is a great thing. Now guys, let's talk about its color, pigmentation, texture and how it feels on my lips. And guys again, it has such a nice comfortable formula. It easily gonna stays on your lips for around 4 to 5 hours, and guys the texture is really creamy and it glides onto your lips like a butter. And guys with that, it gives such a nice color payoff in one swipe. Now guys, speaking about its shade, it has such a nice wonderful grey brown kind of tone, which I'm gonna give you the swatch. Also I really like this color, so I'm just gonna give you the swatch right here. And guys, this is how the shade look like. This is such a nice chocolate brown color with a cool undertone in it. That is the thing which make this lipstick really unique, and I really love this shade. And you guys can pair this lipstick with any smoky eye look, and you just gonna rock it, trust me. So go give it a try for this lipstick, and this is such an amazing formula again. And guys, let's give a shout out to Maybelline, because they make such an amazing lipstick. So guys, the next lipstick I have with me, which is this one, and this is like my ultimate favorite lipstick of all time because it belongs from NYX. Because NYX again makes such an amazing lipstick. They are a bit pricey, but guys, I have no complaint with their price point because they make such an amazing lipstick. Like the formula wise, texture, color, pigmentation and everything of the lipstick is so damn amazing. So guys, the one I have with me, which is this one, so this is NYX Powder Puff Lippy and I'm in the shade Cool Intention. And guys, these retail for 650 rupees for 12 grams of product. Is not at all bad for me as I mentioned. And guys, अगर आपको एक अच्छा सा बॉम्ब एस लिपस्टिक चाहिए, go give it a try because ये बहुत अच्छा लिपस्टिक है. This is guys not that long lasting, but it do leave some sort of stain to your lips, and that is the thing I really like about this lipstick. So guys, now let's talk about its formula, color, pigmentation, texture and how it feels on my lips. So guys, formula wise and texture wise, it has such a nice creamy whipped formula, and guys, it's so lightweight and it glides onto my lips like a butter. I really feel so comfortable after putting on this lipstick because guys, I am someone जिसको वो dry liquid matte नहीं पसंद है, because somewhere I feel like that's really making my lips uncomfortable, chapped and dry at the same time. जो भी lipstick मैं आपको recommend कर रही हूँ, they all are on a comfortable side, so you guys can blindly go for any lipstick. Also guys, it gives opaque finish in one swipe. That is the reason I really like this shade. And guys, as I mentioned, it have a mousse formula, so once you apply this, it will settle down into a proper matte formula. So guys, talking about its shade, so it has somewhere like a light brown color with a pink undertone in it, and I'm gonna give you the swatch again. So I will just swatch it here. Now guys, look at this shade, how damn pretty this shade is, and I am so in love with this shade. And guys, this is the kind of shade which I really like to pair with any smoky eye look or with any subtle makeup or everyday kind of makeup look. Also guys, I have seen a lot of people use this lipstick as their blush or to as a contour because the formula is really lightweight and really comfortable to wear. So again, you guys can definitely give it a try, and I really like this lipstick. So guys, the next lipstick I have with me, which is this one, and don't worry guys, ये इतना ही छोटा आता है because this belongs from their mini version. Now guys, I really like this concept that a lot of brands are coming with, that they are coming up with the mini version. And guys, it is totally safe to spend your money on something which is really reliable and compact at the same time, rather than investing your money in something which you will not end up using the whole thing. And guys, this is my opinion behind certain product, because I really feel like the mini version are better than spending your money on something which comes in a full size. But guys, one thing really matter to me when it comes to price point, because अगर आपको full size product you're getting it for 500 rupees, and with that अगर आपको smaller version 450 या 400 का मिल रहा है, तो I will suggest to go for a full size because that really makes sense. So guys, let's talk about this lipstick. So this is a Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon, and guys, I really like this lipstick again. Guys, I am in the shade Spice Latte, and these retails for 549 rupees, and you're getting 2.5 grams of product in it. Now guys, obviously ये इतना छोटा नहीं आता है, ये थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, but I have sharpened it and I have used it a lot, so that is the reason ये और भी छोटा दिख रहा है. And now guys, this is again very trial friendly packaging. It comes in this kind of crayon thing which you can easily fit into your wallet. Guys, the only one thing I don't like about this lipstick is that you have to sharpen it every time you have to use it. It doesn't come with a retractable packaging, I think, which was more convenient because you save lot of product again. But guys, nevertheless, the shade is so damn pretty. So guys, the shade is proper brown nude color. This is the kind of shade which will go with every Indian skin tone, I believe so, because this is such a nice pretty shade. Also guys, it comes with a color coded packaging, which is a thing I really like. Now I'll give you the swatch, so I'm just gonna give you the swatch here. So guys, this is how the shade look like. Now you guys can see it have a proper brown nude color, and again very pigmented. The formula is really creamy. It glides onto my lips like a butter. It's really comfortable to wear, and guys, it is long lasting as well. It stays on your lips like for good amount of time, like 5 to 6 hours, which is really not at all bad. And also guys, it has such a nice creamy smooth texture which really applies on your lips like a butter. It doesn't budge, or it doesn't, you know, give you any uncomfortable thing. Also, it doesn't bleed as well. That is the thing I really like about this lipstick. And guys, it is completely transfer proof, so go give it a try for this lipstick. I really like this lipstick, and the one thing I really like about this lipstick is that this is so compact, so teeny tiny and so cute at the same time. And guys, the last lipstick I have with me, which is again a lip crayon, and again I can say that is my ultimate favorite, and that is this one. So this is a Color Bar Matte Me As I Am lip crayon, and I am in the shade Cave in 014. This product contains 2.85 grams of product in it, and these retails for 850 rupees, which is expensive, I know, but guys, the texture, color pigmentation, longevity, everything of this lipstick is so damn good, because guys, I really feel like this is one of the most comfortable formula that again I have tried out. Also guys, this is quite long lasting as well. Now guys, let's talk about its color. So this is how the shade look like, and again the same complaint I have, that you have to sharpen it whenever you have to use it. I would have really appreciated if they have given the retractable thing, because again I would have saved a lot of product while sharpening this thing. But nevertheless, I really like this shade, and this is how the shade look like. Again guys, it comes kind of color coded packaging, I can say, because ये आधा black है and यहीं पे there is a stripe going on, which is the exact color of this lipstick. And now guys, let's talk about the shade. So I'll give you the swatch first. So I'm just gonna swatch it here. Now guys, look at this shade, how pretty this shade is. Wow, this is like again my very favorite shade. And guys, again the shade is proper nude color with the hint of burnt orange kind of tinge to it, which is the thing I really like. And again, the formula is so amazing. It is completely matte, transfer proof, really comfortable to wear. And again guys, this lipstick is really long lasting. It easily gonna stays on your lips for around 7 to 8 hours, which is really not at all bad, until and unless you eat anything oily. तो अगर आप oily भी खाओगे तो ये बस center से निकल जाएगा, but you can retouch up. And I think again guys, that is case with every lipstick. आप कोई भी high end lipstick ले लो या फिर आप कोई भी affordable lipstick ले लो, वो remove हो ही जाएगा once you eat anything oily. So guys, that thing really doesn't upset me in any case. And guys, again, one stroke gives nice amount of pigmentation. It really helps to cover the pigmented lips as well. Also guys, the formula is really lightweight and like a feather. It doesn't budge, और ये आपको बहुत heavy lips पे नहीं feel कराएगा. Really comfortable to wear, really long lasting. So go give it a try for this lipstick. I really like this lipstick. Also guys, it gonna last for good amount of time as well, because इसकी quantity भी ज़्यादा है, तो ये आपको easily बहुत time तक चलेगा. Also आपको इसको बहुत pressure से अपने lips पे apply करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Go easy with your lipstick because it have good pigmentation. Also guys, if you are someone who love tan, brown and nude kind of lipstick, try this lipstick out. You're gonna love it. I swear you won't regret purchasing this lipstick. Okay guys, so with that I complete my today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, informative and interesting at the same time. And if you really did so, then guys, please appreciate my work. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family. And also guys, do let me know in my comment section आपको कौन सी lipstick पसंद आई and आपने कौन से lipstick इसमें से try out की है. I just love to read all your comments. And guys, every action on this channel is noticeable and appreciated. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care, and see you soon guys. And yeah, bye bye.